Hey, just showed up at this concrete tilt-up building, and I wanted to point out something for you to look out for when you're doing your routine building inspections. There's some important things to look out for as you walk around your building. And these tilt-up buildings, they all have these seams. So when they come in the truck, you know, this is 3 stories tall. They come up, they tilt them up, and then they have these seams. Here, as you can see, right here, it goes all the way to the top, and that's how they put those panels together. And that's urethane. So it's an industrialized caulking. Basically, you can think of it that way, but it's a urethane sealer that goes in here. And I'll get up closer here. I'll walk around the bushes and show you closer. And that's something to really look out for, because when those seals break, what happens is those expansion joints, they break, and then water intrudes. So that's something you want to watch out for during your inspections. Here's a good example right here. As you can see, this is concrete right here, concrete, and then you got this urethane, which is your expansion joint. So as those panels expand and contract through summer and winter months, that seal needs to remain, it needs to be sealed, basically. And they use a product called urethane, and that's what keeps that joint sealed up. So you need to make sure that, just want to point that out as you're doing your routine building inspections, to make sure that that's properly checked out. And they run all down the building. This particular building is 240 feet in length right here, and so there's a seams about every 20 feet. Routinely check those just to make sure that that the water doesn't get into your building and start causing mold issues and further damages down the line. So keep up with those, and I hope that helps you. And if it does, definitely like and comment below. Let me know if there's another important aspect when it comes to your building inspections and looking at these seams, making sure they're on track. Hope that helps. Have a good day.